Hello everyone, let's talk science. Today's your very first notebook inspection, and I'm sure you have a lot of questions about what's supposed to happen. As long as you have all the work you've done this week, you should do really well, but I want to tell you a couple of things, answer a few questions for you. First of all, the first question you might have is, why do we have notebook inspections? Well, the reason why we have notebook inspections is because I like to talk to you individually. So this would be a chance for you to talk with me about work that's been difficult or things that you're not sure about before we put the final grade in for your homework for this week. I'm also giving you until Friday to answer all the questions that you might have and complete all the homework that you might have, so that way you are not rushed at the very end to get everything in. So I give you a little more time to check in. Additionally, you might be wondering, what should I expect during a notebook inspection? And what's going to happen is I'm going to spend a little bit of time with each person in the room, look at their work and give some feedback on things they can improve and let them know how they're doing in class. For that to happen, I need you to be responsible to finish the work that you're given and try as best you can to do it in an independent way. I'll show you some of the information on the checklist that you got on the way in a little bit. The third question you might want to know is, what can I do to make sure I get an excellent grade? And let me show you. You'll need a few things. You're going to need a pen or a pencil. You're going to need the checklist you got on the way in. And you'll notice on the back of the checklist, there is a learning log that you're going to complete. Have a look at how there are different point values on different parts of the checklist. Start by writing your name. All the points in the world, if I don't know your name, I can't give you your points. Look through the checklist and circle one of the three options: complete, the letter C, incomplete, the letter I, or missing, the letter M, for each paper that we looked at this week. Please also check a box next to absent on the day if you were absent. In order to show all of the work that you have, I need to know which days you were not here, so I know which days that I shouldn't expect you to have notes for. Following that, I want you to set a goal for the next week. It could be a behavior goal, things you want to improve on your conduct in class. It could be an academic goal. An example of a great goal would be, I will get a good grade on next week's quiz by studying my notes every day. When you're done with those things, make sure that you check out on the right-hand side of your checklist 18 questions you need to answer. Those questions are worth 15 points, and there's 3 writing questions that are worth an additional 10 points. So those writing questions are for a chance for you to talk about how you did this week. What's one thing you learned? Please write a complete sentence. What's something that you could improve on for yourself? Please write at least one complete sentence. And finally, do you have anything to tell me about how my class was? I think it's only fair that you get a chance to tell me what kind of teacher you think I am. Please be honest and respectful and write in a complete sentence. When you're done, you're going to turn the page over and there's work to do on the back. Write a summary about what we've done. You can see the point value on the sheet. You're also going to write down or draw some pictures that describe the things that you saw or did this week. Finally, you'll answer a reflective question, and today's reflective question will come from this video. Please answer the question, what is one thing you can do today that will make sure that we have an excellent notebook inspection? And if you answer that question, the next question will be, how do you know that this will work to help our inspection be a great one? Write the answers to those questions down, and when I come to see you, I hope that you'll be able to talk with me about your grade and about our class. All right, good luck!